Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to our channel Saima and Sufiyan. Today we are making a very simple, very creamy and super comforting dish, Shahi Malai Chicken. It's mild, aromatic and honestly one of those recipes that feels special without doing too much. So let's get started. First, I am soaking 15 to 20 cashews in warm water. Just leave them for about 15 minutes. By that time, we will finish our chopping. Now slice 2 medium onions, chop 5 green chillies and a little fresh coriander that we will use for later. In a bowl, take half kg chicken. I am using thigh pieces here. Add 3 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Give everything a really good mix so the chicken gets coated properly. You don't need to overthink this. Just mix it well and leave it aside for 30 minutes. Now heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pot. Add the sliced onions and 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Cook this until the onions turn soft and translucent. Once they are done, move them into a blender. Add the soaked cashews, little coriander and chopped green chilies. Pour a small splash of water and make a smooth paste. Not too thick, not too watery. This paste gives the gravy that creamy texture, so make sure it blends well. Use the same pot and add 2 tablespoon oil with 1 tablespoon butter. Once it melts, add 2 bay leaves, 5 green cardamoms, 7 cloves. Let them splatter for about 30 seconds, just enough for that aroma to come out. Now add the blended paste and mix it nicely. Once the paste warms up, add the marinated chicken along with whatever masala is left in the bowl. Combine everything really well. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon white pepper, mix again and pour in half cup cream. This instantly gives that color and texture and it becomes super rich. Cook this whole thing on high flame for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After that, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it and let it cook for about 20 minutes and then the chicken turns soft and the gravy thickens. When this is almost done, add 1 tablespoon kasturi methi and mix. Serve your Shahi Malai Chicken in a bowl and garnish with fresh coriander. This goes amazing with naan, roti, paratha and honestly anything works. If you enjoyed our recipe, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and let us know what you want us to cook next. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.